Hello everyone, this is Zapp Robin with
Zapp Wolf.
And today, Zapp Wolf has come to my house.
First sleepover.
Yeah, first sleepover. And we're both leaders of the Zapp clan.
Okay, and we probably might show you his yard, maybe? I don't know. It's up to him, because it's his house.
Yeah.
And, yeah. We're just making a vlog, basically. And, yeah.
Even though vlogs are 10 minutes long.
And then later on, we're going to be making another video. Probably Minecraft or something.
We'll see you guys later. Back with
Zapp Wolf. Okay, guys, we set up the camera, and now we're gonna run around the place.
Okay, guys.
Okay, set your camera somewhere.
No, I want to keep it.
Okay.